Hello guys, gagawa tayo ng money cake. Ito, ipoprosting muna natin yung ating cake. Ang gawa ko ay chocolate cake. Moist chocolate cake. And guys, lalagay na natin yung ating, ayan na guys, may cake, may money na yung ating cake. Laki na lang. Lagyan natin ng topper para hindi malata. Gawa na siya. Wow. I love it. Happy birthday to you. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.